Vertical line test. If you are given a graph and you are being asked, is this the graph of a function? The easiest way to do that is to use the vertical line test, which means you just draw a straight up and down line and you look to see how many times does that straight up and down line cross through the equation line. And then you look to see, is there anywhere else that I can make it cross more than one time? For this one, no, there's not. So here we have y is a function of x. Looking at this next one over here. If I draw a line somewhere through here, how many times does it cross? Well, right there at that one, it's 0 times. If I draw it right here, it crosses 1 time. But if I draw it over here, it crosses 2 times. So 0 times, yeah, that's fine. Not something that we're looking for, but it's okay. 1 time, that would tell me that yes, it is a function, but when I look at this one, I see it crosses twice, so now we know, no, it is not a function. Y is not a function of x. Looking down at that one, I look for how many times, wherever I am, does this cross. So it crosses 1 time there, crosses 1 time there. So each time, no matter where I draw it, it's crossing only 1 time. So this one is a function of x. Y is a function, I'm going to abbreviate function, of x. Looking at our last example here, depending on where I draw my line, I could have 0 crossings, or I could have infinite number of crossings. Many times. Because it's everywhere on that line. So this one I can say y is not a function of x. And again, I abbreviated function so I wouldn't have to write as much. So vertical line test, if it crosses only 1 time, you're good, it is a function. If it crosses 2 times or many times, it is not a function.